Food insecurity is a real issue here in Alabama. Right now, 1 in 4 children aren't sure where their next healthy meal will come from, and nearly 2 million Alabamians are affected overall. That's where Grow More, Give More comes in. Through Alabama Extension, we empower home gardeners, whether you're brand new or have been growing for years, with research-based tools and advice to grow successful gardens of any size, containers, raised beds, or right in the ground. And this year, we're adding something special. As our nation celebrates 250 years, we're launching the 250-pound challenge. We're challenging every county in Alabama to grow and donate at least 250 pounds of fresh fruits and vegetables between Memorial Day and Labor Day. 250 pounds, one summer, one county at a time. Grow an extra row, add a few more plants, and celebrate 250 years by helping feed your community. Alabama Extension is here to help you every step of the way. Visit aces.edu to get started. And let's grow more, give more, and make this summer count.